welcome to another video. I hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I am going to be reorganizing or organizing my pantry. Yeah, it's well overdue. I'm a renter and I'm using what I have to just try and make it look a little bit better than this. If you guys are renters yourself and you have ideas for your pantry or your limited space in your renter, comment below and share some ideas and tips with me. I will appreciate that and hope you guys enjoy. So if you guys seen my previous video, you will see that I do not have any cabinets in the kitchen. And again, I am a renter, so I'm just working with what I have. And that's like part of the reason why my pantry was looking this way. Again, if you're a renter like me and you have limited space and you have to basically figure out, ideas of how you can make it look good enough to your liking, then comment down below. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. And you can check me out on Instagram at In Demand Decor. See ya.